Good morning, students, and welcome to the CTR Club. Students, today we're going to have each one of you to learn how to embed a Google Slides presentation into your Google account, into your electronic portfolio. For instance, here is the CTR class blog. Right here's the most recent post. Suppose we want to insert a slideshow right here so that this slideshow becomes a part of your electronic portfolio. So let's do that. So let's open up your electronic portfolio. I'm going to sign in. So we'll be all ready to paste the code into a new post. Go to the Student Success blog. Now, let's go into our slideshow. Here's the slideshow that we want to create. So in order to embed, we go to File, Publish to the Web, Embed. We click the checkbox Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. We check the box Restart the slideshow after the last slide. We click on the code and right-click and copy. Now we go back to our Blogger, your electronic portfolio. We create a new post. And in this new post, you'll see two options: Compose, HTML. Click the HTML. We click down in our window. Now we right-click and paste. We compose and take a look at it. We see that it's too big for the window. So let's just go to HTML. And right here you see the width 1280. Let's just change that to about 500. 500. We go back to Compose to take a look, and now it fits in there. And you can always go back and change that width if you need to. Now let's give it a title: True Education. We pasted it, and now let's publish. We published it, and now let's view our blog. View blog. There's our CTR class blog, True Education, and there's our slideshow. There's your slideshow. So just give it a try, and I hope you have fun doing it. Thank you.